Mm. Hello everyone, I am having some coffee from Burger King. Now remember, tomorrow is free coffee, free. Do you drink coffee? Free coffees at Starbucks tomorrow. It might be like one of those things that burger places do where it's National Cheeseburger Day and you get a free, like buy a fries and a drink, get a free cheeseburger. Buy some places give you a totally free cheeseburgers, probably long lines. Other places will say, get a cheeseburger for $1, no purchase necessary. I think Burger King had that, just $1 for a cheeseburger. So in California, about $1.10 for a cheeseburger. And somebody's that totally free. I don't know how that worked. So if they're doing that, other people will probably be doing that too. Other companies, maybe Dutch Brothers. We have a Dutch Brothers here in California. A few, I think now. Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Pete's Coffee, all the different coffee places. I will probably do. Maybe McDonald's. They have the McCafe set up now. But anyway, I did get a free coffee today from Burger King. It had nothing to do with that. It was just, they gave me a free coffee. Here, you look like you are sleepy. Here's a free coffee. I don't know. But today is Super Bowl Sunday. It will be coming on in about 2 hours. 2 hours. I am taking some medication where I cannot have any dairy products 2 hours before or 2 hours after. Now I made some bar mix. And if you want to see the video on that, you go back and take a look. But some do have cheese on there. So instead of not eating the ones with the cheese, any of the ones with no cheese, I'm going to eat this, but then I will take my medicine tonight because amoxicillin, they said not to take any milk, dairy products 2 hours before or 2 hours after, because what happens is the dairy attaches itself to the antibiotic. I guess when they all go down together, they hit each other at the same time. It's not like you can take the pill and rub milk all over it, but I think and what it does, it keeps it from working as well as it should. So I'm going to have coffee right now, so that means at 1:32. It's now 1:32 by the time I'm allowed to have coffee, cheese again, and I can take my medicine. It'll be 3:30. That's the start of the game. So I'm going to take my medicine at 7, making sure I don't have any coffee or milk up till 5 p.m. or later, and then I'll be okay. So anyway, hopefully you're all doing well. But today is Super Bowl Sunday, so we're going to make a super low carb, keto style chicken sandwich. Now I'm not gonna eat it during the game because I'm gonna be attentively watching every. Is Taylor Swift wearing a hat? What's going on? Is that Taylor's mom or his? The referees are cheating. So much going on. There's also a football game, I think. Don't forget to please subscribe, like, and share. Give me your comments down below. Do you like chicken sandwiches? Do you like watching football? This video will be out not today. This video will be out on Tuesday, but this is just showing what I cooked for Super Bowl Sunday. And here we go. Let's go ahead and reverse it. Well, let me go with the ingredients real quick. You've seen these before. These are keto buns. I didn't realize these were that expensive. I got these keto buns $2 off the price of the keto buns at grocery outlet. Then I saw that these are about $8 elsewhere, so about $2 a bun. Is that right? Yeah, about $2 a bun. Or is there 8 buns in there? There's a $1 bun. 8 buns. It's about $1 a bun. But if you can't have a bun, you have buns. If you can't have a bun, then maybe it's worth $1 to have a bun. But I got those. I think at grocery outlet there was like $5.99 for 8 buns. But the $2 off, I got for $3.99. So about half the price that they would have been elsewhere. Those are not that exciting. You've seen that before. You've seen this product before. If you've watched any of the videos, the cooking videos, this is a low carb, sugar-free, and full award-winning flavor. I guess this particular one didn't win the award, but the one that has the sugar in it, I guess, won the award for something. What, best barbecue sauce? I have another one that I will be trying after that one was done. I didn't find any more of that. Then we're going to have some grilled chicken strips, and we're going to make ourselves sandwiches. I'll make a total of 3, 2 for one person and 1 for the other person. The buns are not all that exciting. Now, this is what they look like in the air fryer. Now, I put butter on the insides of these, not on the outside, just to give them a little more taste. I could put, when you make a hamburger or whatever, and you put the bun directly down on the grill, or on the frying pan, and you can get a little bit of a toasting to it. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm just gonna put it in here. I'll do that last, because I have to preheat the Well, I guess I don't preheat the microwave. I mean the air fryer for that. I'll just go ahead and. I forgot to put them in the basket before I air. Somebody say never preheat your air fryer. Somebody say always. Somebody say sometimes. It depends on what you're cooking. I know I found my mic and have it back on. This was a gift. Thank you to whoever gave it to me. So we'll do this with ingredients. I'm going to turn it around. This shouldn't be too long of a video because it's pretty quick. Everything is already basically cooked, so there's no real requirement of cooking time just to make it taste yum yum. Here we go. Well, that's bad. I was making this and talking about it and showing ingredients and all kinds of good stuff. Munster cheese is one thing. These are the keto buns. That's grilled chicken. I put the whole thing grilled chicken, but my video did not restart. I hit the start button and I went around the front. So what I did is I just cooked the meat here, the chicken meat in the pan with, I said this would be a short video. Now it's really gonna be a short video because it's all done. This is actually made with just a zero sugar barbecue sauce. And this is another one that I just got, which is a lot less expensive. So this will be a real short video. If you want me to reshoot part of it, I can. But all I did is I took the buns, put some butter, and put them in the air fryer. So they're ready to go. Then I cooked this on just below medium heat. And this is just the regular chicken. And I added the sauce and a little bit of water. And I started cooking it. It smells like barbecue chicken, like if you're barbecuing a chicken at home when you're using your oven or whatever. And I'm going to assemble 3 sandwiches. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. I talked about that a little bit. But today's Super Bowl. This is just a little treat. This is not to be out in time for you to see it prior to Super Bowl. But this will be out on Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday. I can't have any dairy products 2 hours before or 2 hours after one of my medicines. So I'll have this. Then I'm going to have the bar mix I made. If you go back that way, you'll see those. The only thing you really missed was the actual cooking of this. I can't believe it. I turned it around. You know, I paused, I turned it around, and then hit restart. But what I did is I just pushed the button restart and then started in over here. And I didn't look over to make sure it was filming. Dumb. I got to make sure. I've done it a couple of times. I'm really dumbass. Here is what the chicken looks like. The buns. We cooked in the air fryer. The air fryer we cooked about 300 degrees for about 4 minutes each. So we're gonna make one sandwich here, and we're gonna assemble it. And we'll assemble 2 others. I thought this video would be much longer, and it is not. But anyway, any extras that we have on here, we can always make another sandwich, or we can use it on something else. So this is just barbecue sauce, chicken, a little bit of butter, and the Munster cheese. So this is probably about 4 grams of carbs. Calories, I don't know. Most of the carbs will be coming from the barbecue sauce. I don't think we're gonna have anything left. That's not necessarily on purpose. It's just I just think that's the way it worked out. And with this extra sauce here, we may not be able to keep that. And once again, of course, if you put your plate up against the thing and you won't spill, I'll have to take a photo of this for the thumbnail. And it's not going to be perfect because there's some spillage. Some spillage in the village. So, yeah, maybe we will have some chicken left over. I think we will, because that's too much. We will eat those even with a knife and fork. So there we go. This is what's left over. And maybe get that as just in a bowl or something. That bun is not as good as this bun, so for photography, we will move it that way. And delicious. So clean that up real quick with a paper towel. For those of you who don't ever work in a restaurant, when something like this happens at the restaurant, when they're going to serve the plate, they take a wet towel, like kind of like a bar towel, and they wipe off your plate. And then they let it sit, and then they wipe off someone else's plate. So there could be a cross-contamination, especially if you don't eat certain things. Maybe you don't eat meat, but they use the bar towel that they used to wipe off the plate of someone's sloppy Joe, and then you got your squash meal, and it goes on there. So let's go ahead and now we'll go ahead and turn this around. We got a weird lighting coming through there. So let's go this way. Back to what we were doing before. So anyway, sorry that I lost that. I can't believe that happened. If you have any questions on that, you want me to do something like this, what they look like. There's 2 big super sandwiches. About 4 grams of carbs. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl, because by the time you see this, will be Tuesday. The Super Bowl will be over. Free coffee is Monday. So I made another video about that. I made a video about the free coffee and all that. So hopefully you'll enjoy. Please subscribe, like, share, and put your comments down below. What do you eat? What did you eat for Super Bowl? Did you enjoy the Super Bowl? What do you think of the Super Bowl? Was it super? I don't know yet, because it doesn't come on for another hour and a half. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Sorry about that. I think it's the second time I've done that. I actually shot part 1, part 2, but this is all completely done. I really couldn't shoot a part 1, part 2 of this because it was finished. You know, I'd have to fake it till you make it. So yeah, so we'll see how yummy that is. Oh, I did tell people I got some free French fries as well. I got free coffee, which I don't know why, because it's not free coffee day, but I also got free French fries. So sometimes people offer you free things, and if you don't have somebody to share them with or give them to, it's tough, because I really can't have French fries, you know? It's not that healthy for me. But anyway, have a great day, great week, whatever. Tuesday, take care.